A function is a relation between an input and an output. For example, f of x, h of x are an example of a function. F of x is equal to y is a function. So for example, we have f of x is equal to y. F of x is our input and y is our output. If we have f of x equal to 3x plus 1, f of 1 and f of 2. Using the x and y tables, we will plug in the value of f to our function. F of 1 is equal to 3 times 1 plus 1. We have 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So if f of x is 1, y is 4. If we plug in the value of f of 2, we have 3 times 2 plus 1. F of 2 is equal to 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7. So if x is 2, then our y is 7. This is our output, and this is our input. How can we determine if a graph is a function or not? To consider these two graphs we have here, let's determine if which is a function and which is not by using the vertical line test. We have our vertical line over here, and as you can see, the line touches the graph exactly once. So we can conclude that this graph is a function. How about the other graph? You notice that the line touches the graph twice. So is this a function or not? Since it touches the graph twice, so this is not a function. We can only say that a graph is a function if the vertical line touches it exactly at once. So for our first problem, we have f of x is equal to 3 minus 5x minus 2x squared. Find the function of f of 4. So we have f of 4, which is going to plug in the value of f, which is 4. So 3 minus 5 times 4 minus 2 times 4 squared. And we have f of 4 is equal to 3 minus 5 times 4 is 20 minus 2. 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16. So we have f of 4 is equal to 3 minus 20 minus 2 times 16, which is negative 32. F of 4 is equal to 3 minus 20 minus 32. The answer would be negative 49. Another example, the function of f of x minus 3 minus 5x minus 2x squared. Find the function of f of 6 minus t. So we'll just plug in the value of f, which is 6 minus t. And then we have f of 6 minus t is equal to 3 minus 5 times 6 minus t minus 2. And then we'll use the FOIL method. 6 times 6 is 36. Then negative 6 minus negative 60 minus 60 is negative 12t. Then negative t times negative t, we have positive t squared. And then we have 3 minus distribute 5. Negative 5 times 6 is negative 30 plus 5t minus negative 2 times 36, negative 72 plus negative 12t times negative 2 is positive 24t minus 2t squared. And then 3 minus 30 is 3 minus 30 minus 72 is equal to negative 99. Then 5t plus 24t is positive 29t. And then minus 2t squared. So this is our final answer. Another problem, g of t is equal to t over 2t plus 6, g of negative 3. So we'll just plug in the value of g, which is negative 3. G of negative 3 is equal to negative 3 over 2 times negative 3 plus 6. G of negative 3 is equal to negative 3 over 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 plus 6. G of negative 3 is equal to negative 3, negative 6 plus 6 is 0. Since the answer is 0, so g of t does not exist.